ሰላም እንደምንከረማችሁ ዘላለም ግዛው ነኝ የዚህ ዩቲዩብ ኤጁኬሽናል ቻናል ተከታታዮች ዛሬ ይህንን ጥያቄ እንሰራለን solve all real solutions of the equation x raised to plus y raised to 2 is equal to 25 and x plus y is equal to 7 ይላል ጥያቄው ይህንን real solution የx እና የyን እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው Step 1 solve for one variable in terms of the other for the second equation solve for x ይላል x plus y is equal to 7 የሁለተኛው ኢኩዌሽናችን ነው ያ ማለት እዚህ ጋር x raised to plus y raised to 2 is equal to 25 and x plus y is equal to 7 ነው የሚለው our second equation is x plus y is equal to 7 ነው ስለዚህ x plus y is equal to 7 ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው subtract y from both sides x plus y minus y is equal to 7 minus y and minus y x plus y minus y is equal to 0 is equal to 7 minus y ይመጣል x plus 0 is equal to x is equal to 7 minus y is our step 1 result ይሆናል ማለት ነው የስቴፕ 1 ውጤታችን ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው step 2 substitute 7 minus y into the first equation x raised to 2 plus y raised to 2 is equal to 25 because x is equal to 7 minus y ነው ስለዚህ 7 minus y ን እዚሁ substitute እናደርጋለን 7 minus y in the bracket raised to 2 plus y raised to 2 is equal to 25 step 3 expand and simplify 7 minus y in the bracket raised to 2 plus y raised to 2 is equal to 25 7 minus y in the bracket እዚህ ጋር expand ስናደርገው raised to 2 7 minus y in the bracket times 7 minus y in the bracket will be 49 minus 14y plus y raised to 2 ይመጣል ማለት ነው how 7 times 7 49 7 times minus y minus 7y minus y times 7 minus 7y minus y times minus y plus y raised to 2 then 49 minus 14 times y plus y raised to 2 in the bracket plus y raised to 2 y raised to 2 is equal to 25 is equal to 25 ስለዚህ እዚህ ላይ ያለችዋን እዚህ እናወርዳለን ማለት ነው እዛ 49 minus 14y plus y raised to 2 plus y raised to 2 is equal to 25 ይመጣል ማለት ነው step 3 step 4 combine like terms 49 minus 14y plus y raised to 2 plus y raised to 2 is equal to 25 y raised to 2 plus y raised to 2 is equal to 2 times y raised to 2 minus 14y plus 49 is equal to 25 subtract 25 from both sides 2 times y raised to 2 minus 14y plus 49 minus 25 is equal to 25 minus 25 minus 25 minus 25 then 2 times y raised to 2 is equal to minus 14 times y plus 49 minus 25 is equal to 24 is equal to 25 minus 25 is equal to 0 so our step 4 result will be ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው step 5 solve quadratic equation ነው የሚለው divided the equation by 2 2 divided by 2y raised to 2 minus 14 divided by 2 minus 7y plus 24 divided by 2 plus 12 is equal to 0 divided by 2 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so our quadratic equation y raised to 2 minus 7 times y plus 12 is equal to 0 ይሆናል። ይሄንን ፋክተር እናደርጋለን። find the summation of two number is equal to minus 7 and the multiplication of the two number is equal to positive 12 እንፈልጋለን። ወይም ሲደመር minus 7 ሲባዛ ፖዚቲቭ 12 የሚመጡ ቁጥሮችን እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው። ያ ማለት minus 3 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 7 or minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Minus 3 times minus 4 is equal to positive 12. So y minus 3 in the bracket times y minus 4 in the bracket is equal to 0 ይመጣል። ስለዚህ y minus 3 is equal to 0 and y minus 4 is equal to 0 will be y is equal to 3 and or y is equal to 4 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። Final step, find the corresponding x value for y is equal to 3 and for y is equal to 4. For y is equal to 3 in x plus y is equal to 7 or x is equal to 7 minus y will be 4, and for y is equal to 4 in x plus y is equal to 7 or x is equal to 7 minus y x will be 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ያ ማለት ከላይ ባገኘነው y is equal to 3 እና y is equal to 4 የyን ቫልዩ አግኝተናል። እነዚህን ቫልዩዎቹ በx plus y በሁለተኛው ቫልዩ ላይ ማለት ነው በሁለተኛው ኢኩዌሽን ላይ x plus y is equal to 7 ነው ኢኩዌሽናችን፣ ወይም ደግሞ x is equal to 7 minus y ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ቺን y is equal to 3 የምትለውን ሰብስቲቱት እናደርጋታለን። x is equal to 7 minus y 3 ናት። 3 እዚህ እናስገባለን። ከ7 3 እንቀንስ 4 ይመጣል። ይሄኛውም እንደዚህ ሰብስቲቱት 4ን ስናደርግ ከ7 ላይ 4 ስናደርግ 3 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። finally our final answer will be 4 and 3 in the bracket and 3 and 4 in the bracket ይሆናል ማለት ነው። true solution ማለት ነው። so ለዛሬ ይሄንን ካየን በቀጣይ በሌላ ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ እናንተ ሰብስክራይብ እና የኖቲፊኬሽን ኪን በመጫን እንደዚሁም ያልተጫናችሁ ከተጠቀማችሁና ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ በማድረግ ለሌሎች ወንድም እህቶች እንዲደርስ ደግሞ ሼር እና በኮሜንት ሐሳብ መስጫ ላይ ሐሳባችሁን እንድትሰጡኝ በአክብሮት ጠይቃለሁ። እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ቆዩኝ። ቻው።